Hello, in this video we will discuss about different remote access methods available on Cisco IOS. Guys, if you want remote access, there are two methods available. First one is Telnet, other one is SSH. So what is the difference? Telnet and SSH. So SSH stands for Secure Shell. Both are TCP based protocols. Telnet uses port number 23, SSH uses port number 22. But the only difference between the two is, in case of Telnet, the communication which is happening between device and the networking device, or you can say the end device and the networking device, your computer and router, your computer and switch, your computer and firewall, whatever device you are accessing. In case of Telnet, all that communication is going to happen in plain text form. But if I talk about SSH, all that information is encrypted. That's why I say, what is the preferred method? Preferred method is SSH because it is secure. So these are two protocols which are available to us for the purpose of remote accessing. Guys, in this video we have discussed what are the different protocols available on Cisco IOS for remote accessing. Thank you.